Ladies, let's see who gets your assets after your death. If you have a registered will, no need to worry. Assets will be distributed according to your wish, whatever you have written in your will. But if you do not have a will, then assets are distributed as per succession law, whatever is applicable to you as per your religion. In this video, we will look into Hindu Succession Act. And in future video, we'll talk about other succession acts for other religion. If you're a married Hindu woman, all your assets will be distributed equally amongst your husband and children. But if you do not have a surviving husband or children, then your mother-in-law gets 100% of all your assets or your jewelry, properties, stocks, mutual fund, whatever you have, your mother-in-law gets 100% of it. If mother-in-law is also not alive, then husband's class 2 heirs get all your assets equally, which is class 2 heirs are husband's brother, sister, their children, uncle, aunt, so all other relatives. Your assets will be distributed equally among all those legal heirs. So yes, your parent, a married woman's parents don't get anything as per Indian succession law in absence of a will. So if you want to leave something for your parents, you must create a will and get it registered to avoid dispute. So there are two exceptions to this. One is the ancestral property. If you have received, if woman has received any ancestral property from her parents, then such assets are distributed amongst parents here and not to husbands or in-laws. The second exception is Stridhan, which are basically gifts a woman receives before, during, or after marriage in any form, cash, kind, property, jewelry, whatever form it may be, from parents, in-laws, relatives, friends. This is as per Supreme Court decision on 24th April 2024. So women is the sole owner and can do whatever she wants to do with those assets. Husbands, in-laws do not have any right or control over such stridhan. If husband uses it at times of distress, say for expanding his business, starting a new business, or repaying a loan, anything like that, then he must return it to his wife later on. If he doesn't, if husband or in-laws misappropriate the stridhan, then they can be prosecuted. In a lot of families, I've seen women's jewelries are taken away by in-laws or husband few days after the marriage, or it's gifted away to husband's sister during her marriage, something like that. All those things are illegal. If these are used by your husband or in-laws, they must return it to you. You are the sole owner. If you're an unmarried Hindu woman, then your mother and father gets your assets equally. If none of them are alive, then your father's heirs get it. And if they are also not there, then asset is disputed among your mother's heirs equally. So exception is ancestral property inherited from father goes to father's heir and those from mother goes to mother's.